pictures of hang on.
Mira la casa.
Have your cameras ready.
Mira, se cayó un avión. Mira, ese es un avión, mira, ¿sabes? A la chica. Es un avión de verdad que se cayó, mira, mijo.
This amazing set is what's left of the neighborhood where Tom Cruise hides out in the film. That is an actual plane which was destroyed specifically for this incredible scene.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
Like I said before, this is one of the largest sets ever created. Despite the use of these realistic life-size sets, the film featured over 500 effect shots. That's more than Spielberg has ever made before. So obviously, as you can see, the audience got a big bang for their buck.